energetics, exothermic reactions give out, heat energy is released, delta H is negative, temperature increases. Obviously, we know this, guys, from GCSE. I'm getting rid of this now. Endothermic, temperature is taken in, delta H positive, temperature decreases. Come on, guys. Now, bond breaking, bond forming. Well, bond breaking is actually endothermic because we need energy to break bonds, whereas bond forming is exothermic because energy is released when bonds are formed. Mean bond entropy, the average energy needed to break a certain type of bond over a range of compounds, and breaking bonds is endothermic, therefore mean bond entropy is positive. They use average values, therefore they're less accurate. The entropy calculated using Hess's law, where we'll go through Hess's law in a minute. Standard entropy of formation, entropy change one mole of a compound is formed from its standard states, formed from its elements standard states under standard conditions. Hess's law, the total entropy change for a reaction is independent of the route taken. Specific heat capacity, amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 Kelvin. Standard entropy of combustion, entropy change one mole of compound is completely burning oxygen under standard conditions. How to use a graph to find accurate temperature change. So what you do is you realize, okay, I can't just do the normal method by record temperature at the beginning of that. So before the experiment starts, record the temperature, regular intervals, a couple of minutes before you actually start the reaction. Plot a graph of results, draw 2 lines of best fit, 1 to points before the reaction started, 1 to points after the reaction started. Extend both lines suitable past the time when the reaction started, and the distance between these 2 lines is accurate delta T. They love asking questions about this, honestly. But you just need to remember the first point, which is the most important. We record the temperature at regular intervals just before, like a couple of minutes before you start the reaction. Well, we add a known volume of acid to an insulated container, measure the temperature, add known volume of alkali, record the temperature, make sure at regular intervals, and then find temperature changes in the graph method. Therefore, we can calculate entropy change.